After the add country method, if we create a few new lines and scroll down a little bit, and now we're going to create a method which allows us to update the record. So public function and simply update. Params null and ID null by default. We're going to check first if is an empty. Actually, rather than params, let's call it the same way. Array. If is an empty array and is an empty ID. Then what we do is this db prepare update, and we pass in the array, and then return this db update, and we pass in the name of the table underscore table. Oh, sorry. Yes, semicolon, but we also need to obviously include the ID of the record we're updating. Otherwise, we simply return false again. So that's our update method. Now, again, a few new lines and scrolling down. This time is time for the remove method, which is the last method inside of the country class we're going to be adding today. So public function remove, and we pass in just the ID of the record, by default null, and then we go if is an empty ID, otherwise return false. Then if ID is an empty, we go for SQL equals delete from this table where ID equals, and again, int val ID. And we return this db query this time and a SQL as parameter. And that's everything inside of the country class. So we can save the file, close it, and move to the next video.